Get into a car with value. 2018 Honda Pilot. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a Honda Pilot, the refined, spacious family SUV that keeps you safe, comfortable, and in command on every adventure. From all-weather and towing capability to comfortable cruising, it's the ultimate family vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, alarm, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, third-row seat, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control. Get ready to have some serious family fun in this spacious and powerful Honda Pilot. Drive it and fall in love.